girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Baby, you're the best.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stunner till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, send action. These days no Kumaye, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die.
I'm finna stand tall in it, all in it. You be on my back like a cardigan. Baller again, I'm in love with your friend. We be doing that, you hide the evidence. It's evident that you ready to ride. I'm up in my Jeep and put your body to the side. Go against the game, you be ready to hide. Swinging on the corner, big my tape till it pops. Thought I was a goner, legs to your honor. Burn marijuana, deep dive in the sauna. Hotter than the sauna, I made it as a lot. All her baby powder, she popped it for the dollar. Don't stick around, she say, you can hit my phone if you need some help. Don't stick around, she say, you can hit my phone if you need some help. All in it, all in it. You be on my back like a cardigan. All again, I'm in love with your friend. We be doing that, you hide the evidence. It's evident that you ready to ride. I'm up in my Jeep and put your body to the side. Go against the game, must be ready to hide. Swinging on the corner, beg my tape till it pops. I thought I was a goner, place to your honor. Burn marijuana, deep dive in the sauna. Hotter than the sauna, I made it as a lot. All her baby powder, she popped it for the dollar. flowers to your family size for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around to say experience love. And like guns with the aching, you're getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga call her face, got me too excited. Yeah.
What's up everyone, it's Dom the Tastemaker. Welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Hairsmarket, and today I'm doing something so different, so like on the edge. It's just very edgy for me to do this, and I've been playing around with this kind of colorway for a minute, like these past couple of weeks or whatever. And I just wanted to like bite the bullet, if you will, and just try a straight up 613 blonde unit. And today's unit is from Hairsmarket, and you guys, this is some really good quality blonde hair. Like, as you guys can see, so silky, so straight. It's not all frizzy, and I don't have like a bunch of flyaways. So I love the fact that I don't have a bunch of flyaways everywhere, and it's just some really gorgeous hair. And I like the fact that they layered it. If you guys can see, like there's some shorter pieces here, and then it goes longer down here. So I like the fact that they layered it to like frame your face. And I was really nervous to do this because, I mean, obviously it's blonde hair, I'm dark skinned. I've played around with like blonde before, but I've never done like straight up 613 blonde. This is straight up 613 blonde, and I did tone the hair, and I toned it with the Ion toning shampoo, and I will link that down below for you guys if you guys want to use the exact same shampoo that I use. But yeah, that's what I used today on this hair. This looks so bomb, and it's so long, you guys. Like, you guys know I love long hair, but this is like silky straight long, just some bomb hair. So even if you were to like color it, you would get such amazing results with this unit. And let's just be real, everybody's blonde hair is not the same. Some blonde hair gives more like Barbie doll type of vibes. It looks crunchy, it looks fried, it's usually a bunch of flyaways everywhere, it looks crazy. Yeah, so I want to say that this is possibly like a 26 inch if I'm not mistaken. I feel like this is definitely giving 26 inches. I know it's not 24 inches because this unit is so long. I am going to stand up in a minute to show you guys where it hits on me, but it's definitely past my waist like when I stand up. So yeah, definitely giving 26 inch vibes. And I would say, as far as like the density for this one, I actually like the density. It's not too thin, which is like so important when you have straight hair. I would say this is possibly like 180% density or so. So I am gonna go ahead and stand up now so you guys can see where this unit is hitting on me. And for reference, I am 5'2". So this is where it's hitting on me in the front. Okay. This is in the back. That's hitting on me. Like I told y'all, it's like so long. And then sitting down, that's what it looks like. Still super long. And then turn around to the back. Okay. So it's very, very long. I've been trying to make sure I give you guys like the full 360, like even with me sitting down, because a lot of times when I'm standing up, like I'm out of the frame of the video, because I was so nervous. I'm like, can I really pull this off like without any color? Because you guys already know I would love to color this unit, but I was like, let me just try a straight up 613 blonde unit and see what it's giving. And it's definitely giving. And like now you guys can really see those layers, and these are the layers that they put in there. Like I didn't put any layers in the hair at all. As far as the lace on this one, I'm not sure what kind of lace it is, but I didn't put any baby hairs or anything like that. However, I did tint the lace, and that's going to be one of the most important things that you do with this unit. I used the Ebony New York lace tint spray, right, in the color medium dark brown. That's why you can actually see a part. That's why the perimeter is on the brown side. So that's gonna be like the key thing to make this work for you, is making sure you tint the lace. Because if you don't tint the lace, like, then that's when it's gonna get a little crazy. And this is a 13x4 lace front unit. I do actually like this unit and the construction of it. It doesn't have one of those elastic bands in it, but it does have adjustable straps. The fit to this one is definitely for like medium to large head sizes. If you have a small head like myself, then you're definitely gonna want to make sure that you order a small if you can. I don't know if they sent me a small or what size they actually sent me, but I would say that this unit definitely fits on the larger side. So if you have a medium to large head, then this will be the perfect unit for you. However, if you're like myself and you have a smaller head, you will have to like crisscross your straps in the back. Keep the comb in the back, because that's what I have like hooked underneath my braids, because if not, it's just a little extra fabric in the back because I did have to crisscross the straps, but it still lays pretty flat. It's not like all lumpy or anything. Love that about it. I love the fit. I love everything about this unit. I think it's so amazing, and I'm actually impressed with the quality. Like, the quality is really bomb, because I've tried units from Hairsmarket before, but I believe that the other units that I tried from them were like curly units. You know, I don't really remember a unit from them in particular that really stood out to me, if I can just be honest. Like, I know that I've done reviews for them, but I can't name one where I'm like, oh, that one was just super bomb. You know what I mean? So I would say, like, for me, I'm very impressed with the quality of this one, and I think they really did their thing with this. And if you guys are looking for some good quality 613 blonde hair, then you definitely have found it in this video. So if you're interested in giving it a try yourself, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit, along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as possible. And I want to give a big thank you to all of my subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.